All right, let's talk about it. Let's do it. How do we gain more confidence in our trading ability, our trading plans, our playbook? How do we do it? And what I'm about to say may or may not shock you, but I'm going to tell you how I began to personally gain confidence in my trading skills, win or loss. So a lot of you, first off, a lot of you, and even myself included, I'm human. You may have heard someone tell you need to be robotic, that it has to be, strategic and, leave your emotions at home. But at the end of the day, this is real money on the line, whether you're trading live capital, funded account, whatever the case, this is real money on the line. And of course, you are going to feel emotions. It is completely understandable. So how did I personally combat trading and understanding my plan and seeing what works and what doesn't work? And honestly, I just came down to a very, very, very simple solution. If you feel like you are too attached to your trade where you're not able to look at price fluctuate and just understand, and you're looking at your P&L go up and down, you're in the negatives, you're in drawdown, you're in positives, then you go back to drawdown. If it's too much on your mental, what I learned from me personally throughout the years of trading is to just simply turn off the charts. I know it's crazy, right? It's like such a super duper secret sauce. It's like the Krabby Patty formula. You been to Wendy's? Okay, but in all seriousness, I haven't been to Wendy's. I haven't tried it yet. But in all seriousness, honestly, guys, you have to turn off the charts and disconnect. Now, of course, this is still going to be hard. Your mind is going to be wondering what's going on with the trade. Did you win? Did you lose? Of course, this is all normal, but it is a practice. It's like a muscle for your brain, for your trading psychology. So what I want you to try the next time you trade, and even if it's on a demo account, like do this with a demo account if it makes you feel better, even though the emotions won't quite feel the same because there isn't actual money on the line. But you can even try this with a demo account. But right now, all we are focused on is building confidence in our trading plan and our playbook and the trades that we take. But the next trade you take, I want you to just literally turn everything off. Turn it all off. Because no matter what, you should, before you take a trade and you set that stop loss and you set that take profit, you should already accept the risk. Now, of course, there are times where the market fluctuates and I may see signs that the trade won't continue to go on my way and I will close the trade early. That's fine. But in most cases, I let trades hit my stop loss. I've preached this before on, in my Discord when I'm teaching or, just random, but I always preach, let the trade hit your stop loss or your take profit. Why? One, because you shouldn't be over leveraging. You shouldn't be afraid to lose the money. Like I said before, once the money is in your account, all right, once you deposit funds into your trading account, that money is no longer yours. I've said it before, I'll say it again. It's not once you place the trade, it's not once you actually lose a trade. Once you put that money into your account, just consider it gone. All right. But once you set that stop loss and you set that take profit, you accept the risk just as much as you accept the reward. So that's why you need to let trades, play out, because you also learn from it. All right, should I adjust my stop loss? Should I adjust my take profit? Maybe I'm really good, maybe I was going for a 1 to 3, but I'm really better at getting 1 to 2s or even 1 to 1s. You have to adjust your plan accordingly, especially to, what pairs you're trading, what instruments you're trading, how you're trading, what time you're trading. There's a lot of data that you need to collect about yourself. But most importantly, you have to turn off the charts once you execute a trade. Why? Because you need to believe in yourself. Trading is 90% up here. All right. You've all heard it. Anybody can get on the charts. You see what I do. Anybody, you can literally teach a child to get on the charts, draw some lines, see where the candles bounced around market structure. You could learn that in like probably a week. Honestly, what's a candle? What's a pip? What's leverage? You can learn all the technicals and fundamentals about trading in like probably less than a week. It doesn't take that long. But then once you're actually executing a trade and your heart starts to rush and your mind starts to wander and your hand is sitting on your mouse or you're on your phone and you're just staring at it and you can't look away. Trust me, I understand. I know all of these emotions because I am a trader. All right. So what this practice does is genuinely helps you build confidence in your trading plan. Win or lose, you get to understand yourself and your trading plan and how to adjust. What I do, and I still do it to this day, guys. I am in thousands of dollars, worth of P&L, and I'm sure there's people, who are probably in hundreds of $1,000s, in profit and loss or whatever. When they're in drawdown, probably the end of the world for somebody on a smaller level. But even to this day, guys, I still will execute a trade and just cut off everything else. If you guys don't know, I'm also a gamer. I do have a gaming channel. So a lot of the times after I execute a trade, I'll let it play out and I'll go over and start recording gaming content, but that's neither here nor there. But finding something else to do while your trade is going is honestly going to be the best thing that you can do as a starter trader, as a beginner trader. And even on my level after 4 going on 5 years, and I still do it to this day. You can be, advanced trader, intermediate, it doesn't matter what. But if you feel like you are too connected to that trade, you are too connected to the money that's, going in and out, you have to be able to disconnect the best you can. I'm not telling you to be a robot, but what I personally do is just take the trade, and then I'll take a trade, and then by either 11 a.m. or 12 p.m., noon, around lunchtime, I'll check it again. And if I'm still in the trade, rather negative or profit, in profit, whatever the case may be, if I'm still in the trade, I just look at it, okay, cool, whatever, and then go away. And then I check again at market close, all right? So once at lunch and once at market close. What is that? That's genuinely just going to help you, one, just like be able to enjoy the art of trading, all right? Because trading isn't just sitting, staring at charts, being stressed out, losing hair follicles, going bald like me. That's not what trading is supposed to be. Trading is supposed to feel free, and it's all probability. It's all statistics. There is a probability that you win just as much as there's a probability that you lose, all right? So this is honestly going to help you in your trading career. If you don't believe me, just do it for a week. Do it for 2 weeks. If you can't do it for an entire month, or do it for the rest of your trading career. Literally just disconnect, take the trade, and trust in your plan. Because like I said, guys, you're going to build a trading plan, whether you're a scalper, intraday trader, swing trader, whatever the case may be. You're going to build a plan. You're going to you're going to build certain setups like me, M's, W's, breakouts. That's all I do. M's, W's, breakouts, support and resistance, key levels, whatever you want to call it. M's, W's, breakouts. That's all I trade. So you're going to build your trading plan. You're going to have your pairs. You're going to have what time you trade. You're going to have all of these different things that, you add up, and we call that the playbook. And then once you create that playbook, you're a coach, right? Once you create that playbook, of course, there are some adjustments that you're going to have to make to the playbook as you're playing the game. Let's just say like football, for instance, as a coach, you have to coach the team. You have to teach the team. You have to give them the best possibility, the best probability of winning against the opposing team, the enemy. You know what I'm saying? So as a coach, you're a coach, right? You're the coach, and you're the coach, and fortunately, you are the player as well. You have to coach yourself. So you build the playbook, all right? You look at the markets, all right? Let me get my prayer and gratitude book, all right? My prayer gratitude journal. All right, let's just pretend like this is my playbook. All right. Oh, you got a screen right here. Oh, pick 6. Whatever the case. Whatever. All right. Got that. All right. Boom. Market's in an uptrend. I'm like, this. All right. Order flow that. If you the ICT guys, filled the gap. All right. Boom. Bop. This is what I'm gonna do. Now you do the play, right? As a coach, once you tell your team to execute on that play, the coach doesn't, while they're executing the play and they're running around after, said height, the coach can't stop the play and say, hey, no, never mind, don't do that. The coach has to believe in his team because he trained the team. He taught them exactly what he wanted to see. And whether the team either, gets it, makes a touchdown or not, the coach still has to believe that his playbook is going to work. You have to believe that your playbook is going to work. You ever seen Steph Curry shoot a shot and turn away? That's how you have to be with your trades. You gotta be Steph with these charts, all right? You gotta, I can't hoop. You gotta be Steph with these. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I just drank this really tall thing of coffee, so I'm a little amped up. Sorry, that's my gamer energy coming out on my trading channel. But guys, honestly, truthfully, honestly, literally just disconnect. What I personally do, I don't like there's days where I will legit delete the apps, but that's more so after a loss. I turn off notifications during a trade, but if I lose twice and I find myself getting emotional and I'm looking to revenge trade or anything like that, that's where I catch myself and I just completely delete the apps, turn off my computer, literally like just cut off everything, like everything. Get on YouTube and listen to some prayers, some meditation music, go for a walk, go to the gym, sit in the sauna, whatever the case, hop on the game. I just literally distract myself. I throw my phone away and like just stay away from anything trading related, because I'm sure you've all, have felt the need to revenge trade. You probably lost a trade or two and you're like, man, I know this next one has to hit. This next one has to hit. But no, literally just disconnect, guys. I know I'm yapping. All right, I'm gonna try to end this yap session right here, right now, and we're gonna sum this all up. So here is how you build confidence in your trading plan. Remember, you are the coach. I am the coach. You are the coach, and you have your trading playbook. All right, because we always talk about the playbook. Like, you got your plays. All right, you build your plays. It's not, you didn't just get a random book of plays. You build your plays because you like these plays, because they guarantee you the best chances of winning. All right, so you build your playbook and you adjust it accordingly. Of course, if your stop losses keep getting hit because they're too small, maybe adjust that a little bit, make them a little bit bigger. Maybe you get out of trades at a 1-1 or 1-2, but you find yourself being able to capture a 1-3 trade or 1-4 trade quite frequently. Adjust accordingly. But the playbook is still the playbook. How you execute is still the playbook. All right, and you have to believe in that. So the next time you execute a trade, please, I want you to completely disconnect. All right, completely disconnect. Go play the game, go work out, go take a nap, go to work, whatever the case may be. Go do something that is non-trading related, and then during your lunch, a few hours later, check back on your trade. Okay, boom. If you're still in the trade, then okay, just look at it, understand it, see what's going on, and then go on about your day. And then at market close, go check the trade again. And whether you win or lose, you take note of whatever it is, that happened. What happened? Did the market shift on you? Did it reverse? Did it continue in your way? With pressure, just know everything that happened. Take note of it, add it to your playbook, add it to your trading recap, your journal, and just go on to the next day, guys. You're not gonna win every single trade. You're not gonna lose every single trade. Remember that. Everybody says that you're not gonna win every single trade. You're also not gonna lose every single trade. And winning or losing is honestly a very small factor of trading if you really think about it, because I can lose 5 trades in a row. I can lose for an entire month in a row, and then 1 week I can literally make it all up in one trade or 2 trades, or so don't sweat the win-loss ratio. More so pay attention to the gain ratio. How much are you gaining versus how much you're losing? How much are you profiting versus how much you are risking? And look at that ratio, because win rate is cool. Like I always say, win rate tells you if you are taking good trades. Of course you want your win rate to be up. But if you're closing your trade, I can get in a trade and be $5 in profit, close the trade, and in my trading journal, that's considered a win. So win rate doesn't really, you can tell me you got an 80, 70, 60% win rate, but you may win $100. Every single time you win 100, but your loss, you may have 5 wins, right? But then you lose 500 in one trade. Your win rate is still going to be positive. So just take that into consideration when people talk about, when traders on YouTube talk about win rate. But yeah, so trust in your trade. Remember, you are the coach. All right, I want you to say that down below in the comments. All right, say it down below in the comments. Leave a comment and say I am the coach and I will trust my playbook. All right, I'm the coach. I'll trust my plays. That is it. That is all. It's been your boy Slim, aka La Chef, and I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.